Gwen Petter, Director of Design with Wilsonart, and I'm here to share with you our new 2022 commercial launch for our HPL laminates. We've got a collection of 27 items, and these items are focused on bringing elevated design concepts to the designer. Our products are inspired by nature, materials, trends, and technology. And all of these elements are coming together, creating an elevated level of design for designers to create a higher experience for their spaces. And in order to do that, we're focusing on 3 different areas for this product launch. The first of those is design fidelity and technology. We're taking the best reproduction of print technology along with the latest technology in finishes and pairing those together to create high-end looks of luxury woods, high-end stones, and usable products. The second area of focus is that of material replacement. It's the replacement of materials with products that will perform, look, and fabricate easier and be more cost-effective. The third factor for this launch revolves around sustainability. Designers are much more mindful about what goes into a product, and Wilsonart is very proud to be the first company to be awarded the Declare label certification. This allows for a designer to understand the material components that make up our product. In addition, we have 23% post-consumer recycle content, which is 2 times the industry standard for our HPL products. So let's take a look at each of those 7 collections, which is a mix of relevant trends happening in the market and material engineering.